Good morning everyone. Welcome to Smarty channel. Today I have come up with a trick by using which you can do complex multiplications with super fast speed. So let's start the session. So in this session I'll show you how to multiply two 3-digit numbers which are starting and ending with 1. Okay, so let's take a simple example. Let us take an example. We have 121 into 131. If you observe these two numbers 121 and 131, these two numbers are having 1 in the hundreds place and units place. This is common to both the numbers. This is the common feature among these two numbers. So today in this video I will show you how to multiply such numbers. So if you see the two numbers on the left, on the hundreds, in the hundreds place and in the units place, you have the number 1. So put 1 as it is. You will get okay, put 1 to get the right portion and the left portion of the answer. Now to get the next number, you have 2 in the middle of the first number and 3 in the middle of the second number. You add 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. So put 5 as it is. Put 5 twice. Put 5 twice. Now you have to find the middle portion of the number. So to get the middle portion of the number, you multiply the digits 2 and 3 and add 2 that. And add 2 to that. So 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So put 8 here. So this is the put 8 here. Put 8 here. So this is the required answer. So 121 into 131 is equal to 15,851. It's as simple as this. Now let us take another example, simple example. We have 141 into 151. We have 141 into 151. So because the two numbers are starting and ending with 1, put 1 on both sides. Okay, now to get the left number, to get the next number, you have 4 in the first number. In the middle of the number, in the middle of the first number you have 4, and in the middle of the second number you have 5. Add 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. Put 9 here, and on right side also you put 9. Now you have to get the left portion of the answer. Now you multiply 4 and 5. Now you, instead of adding, previously we added 4 and 5. Now you multiply 4 and 5 and add 2 to the result. So 4 into 5 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. So out of, but 22 is a 2-digit number. We cannot take a 2-digit number. We can take only a single-digit number. So out of 22, I'll take 2 here. I'll take 2 here, and I'll carry over 2 to the left number. Already on the left side of 2 you have 19. 19 plus 2 will give you 21. 19 plus 2 will give you 21. So this is the required answer. Therefore 141 into 151 is equal to 21,291. So 141 into 151 is equal to 21,291. It's as simple as this. Now you can use this method to find the squares of the numbers which are starting and ending with 1. Let us see that. Suppose 121 square you want to find. 121 square is nothing but 121 into 121. So to get the result, put 1, put 2 ones. Now to get the left portion, to get the next number, you have 2 in the middle of the two numbers. Add 2 and 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So put 4 here and another 4 here. Now you have to get the middle portion of the answer. To get the middle portion of the answer, you multiply the digits 2 and with 2, that is 2 into 2 is 4, then add 2 to it. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So put 6 here. This is the required answer. So 121 into 121 is equal to 14,461. Let us take another example, 131 square, that is 131 into 131. So put 1 and another 1, put 1 and another 1. Okay, now you have in the middle of the two numbers you have 3. So add 3 and 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Put 6 and another 6 here. Now to get the middle portion of the answer, you multiply 3 and 3. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 to that 9 you add 2. So 3 into 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. But 11 is a 2-digit number. You cannot take a 2-digit number. So out of 11 you take 1 and you carry over 1 and you carry over 1. On the left side of the number 1 you already have 16. 16 plus 1 carry will give you 17. 16 plus 1 carry will give you 17. So this is the required answer. So 131 into 131 is equal to 17,161. It's as simple as. So like this you can play with numbers. Now let us take another 3-digit number. Let us take another 3-digit number. 161 into 151. So procedure is almost the same. So 1 and 1. Put 1 and 1. Now to get the next number, in the middle of the 161 you have 6. In the middle of 151 you have 5. So add 6 and 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. But 11 is a 2-digit number. So what you do is you put 1 here and carry over 1 to the next number. Now this leftmost 1 will become 2. You will get 21 because 1 carry is there. You are adding 1 carry over 1 to the number, so you are getting 2. Here also you cannot take 11, so you take 1 here and 1 carry over 1 to the left side and carry over 1 to the left side. Now to get the middle portion of the answer, you multiply 6 and 5. 6 5s are 30. 30 to this 30 you add 2. So 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. 32 plus 1 carry is there. 32 plus 1 carry will give you 33. 33 is again a 2-digit number. You cannot take a 2-digit number. So out of 33 you take 3 and you carry over 3 to the leftmost number. So on the left side of 3 we already have 21. 21 plus 3. 21 plus 3 will give you 24. So this is the required answer. So 161 into 151 is equal to 24,311. It's as simple as this. Now let us take a last number. 181 into 191. So put 1 and 1. Sorry, put 1 and 1. Now in the middle portion, in the middle of the two numbers, in the middle of first number we have 8. In the middle of second number we have 9. Add 8 and 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. 8 plus 9 is 17. But 17 is a 2-digit number. You cannot take a 2-digit number. So out of 17 you put only 7 and you carry over 1 to the left side. So left side it will become 2. In the same way on the right side also you put 7 and you carry over 2. Now to get the middle portion of the answer, you multiply 9 and 8. You multiply 9 and 8. 9 into 8 is 72. To this 72 you add 2. So 72 plus 2 is 74. 72 plus 2 is 74. 72 plus 2 is 74. To this 74 you have carry 1. To this 74 you already have 1 carry. So 74 plus 1 is 75. So put 5 here and you carry over, put 5 here and carry over 7 to the left side. So on the left side of 5 you already have 27. 27 plus 7 carry will give you 34. So this is the required answer. So 181 into 191 is equal to 34,571. It's as simple as this. So if you really like this video and if you want me to come up with more such videos, please don't hesitate to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to encourage us. So in future I will be coming with more such videos. Thank you for patiently watching this video. Have a nice day and all the best for your future. Thank you.